Of course, they know a lot of security here. Media is gonna be big. You understand? They come with 30 people. Come here. Send a message like location. I'm
Internet, what's up? We are back on the Infomism Worldwide channel, and the internet is going crazy over the ABBA and Preach Fresh and Fit situation. Now, I already talked about the life lessons we can learn about de-escalating situations like this, watching out for such red flags, don't respond with bravado, take a step back, breathe, and now the wave of memes are coming out and we're not going to leave you out of the action. Let's get into it, and pretty much Fresh and Fit are losing subscribers like Sonic loses rings. It is kinda crazy. I'm gonna share the screen now of ABBA's Instagram live.
Send me location, okay? That's all I said. I said send me location. That's what I said. I said don't talk to me. Don't talk to Preach either. Send me location. Also, shit. That's it, bro. That's it. This man's out here flip-flopping. It doesn't make sense. Financially speaking, we could do. Bro, it's not about money. We can do this 0 cameras on, okay? He said you'll box you first, you'll box the second one 10 minutes afterwards. Yeah, I got no problem with it. He said send me location. Watch your mouth. I never seen a nigga stutter in text. Y'all ever seen a nigga stutter in text messages? I ain't never seen that in my life. And I don't play with violence. I don't casually talk about I'm gonna fight this and do this. Why? Because anybody who's been from a place where it's crazy like that, you don't play with violence. You don't tell a man to do it because sometimes these niggas come find you, right?
So guys are passionate and guys are heated. You can really see the drop in the Fresh and Fit subscribers. They were at about 430k last night. Now they are 415, which is unusual. Usually their channel goes up, but the backlash is really pouring through.
White niggas will come find you. That's crazy to me. That's how I know these motherfuckers.
The Sonic rings are dropping.
Because they know they're nothing like this in their life. They're not about it. Because they would never get on a public platform and talk this crazy if they were really about it. Especially not if they go back out like bitches. That's crazy to me. That's how you sound, bro. Like, literally, every time you talk, I literally be thinking, uh-oh, retard alert. This dude licks windows, man. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You go up to the ground. That's right how we met his wife. She looked back and like, just like, they start licking each other's shit. Bro, imagine them getting married. Nigga gave her a ring pop. I love you. And then they start licking each other. I'm in the back of the fucking dusty ass. So shit. He's showing that shit dirty as hell. This shirt all dirty brown, everything else. Bro, nigga gets off his camel, watching them lick each other.
Why did you have to act so mean? Don't you know you're a human being, born of a mother with the love of a father, perfection?
There are consequences to talking crazy. Alright guys? Summed it up exactly. There are consequences to talking crazy. If you're not about it, and it's never worth it. Never worth it.
They were so comfortable talking crazy about a man's wife that they come fight me, and this nigga shook. I'm saying, how? Did you grow up in the suburbs, watch too much BET, and then just because you got dark skin, you know you about this life? What is you smoking?
Don't let the internet deceive you. Don't let videos deceive you. There's a reality behind the show.
I couldn't believe what I seen, bro. This man talking about 500k. You can catch the fair one, my nigga. If you're gonna talk that crazy, walk it. Why would I fight? Me? You talked about his wife. You talked about his family. And he got smoked for both of y'all.
So your mental peace is often not worth the money. Talking this Conor McGregor madness, it's never worth it. It's a distraction. It's all a distraction.
I'm gonna sit back because I wasn't ever interested. You talk crazy to this man. And this is the thing about men, right? And I say this to guys all the time. You think when I go out in public, and someone says something to me, I'm immediately going to violence? Of course not. Of course not. I'm an idiot. I don't know what this nigga's packing. I don't know what's going on. I take violence very seriously. I didn't get
I was talking a lot of sense right now, and I completely agree with that. Violence is a destructive thing and not worth it for entertainment.
too many fights and arrested too many times to be a fucking retard who would just casually say, I'll fight you. That's stupid. But y'all did that. Y'all did that and y'all went crazy. Okay then. You heard what Preach said? Send me location. Y'all not about that life. Now you're scared, right? I apologize to my fans. I apologize to my fans. We'll do better tomorrow. Apologize to the person you was talking shit to. No? Then you still deserve to get slapped up. Some bitch shit, bro. Some bitch shit. What is you smoking? How do you? This is the crazy thing to me. They didn't see any of this coming. They didn't hear themselves talk. You know what I'm saying? And then these motherfuckers.
Lost in the source, as I said in the previous video. And we're all learning and we're all seeing why ruin a good thing. Their podcast really had the potential, and I believe it still does, to help a lot of people, and we're going to learn and grow from this.
Went on a second podcast and said the same dumb shit they said in the first one. And then, after all the blowback, they come out with a rinky-dink apology. I'm like, nigga, how little character, right? And how much self-awareness do you have to lack to be that stupid? And you want to lead men? You want men to follow you, but you can't even see yourself. Think about that. You want these guys to put their faith in you.
And this is a leadership exercise. I mean, we can talk about MBA programs, but this right now is a learning moment where we can all sit back and analyze and say, I get it. I get it. This is integrity. This is knowing to walk a righteous path. This is why.
You don't even understand how you're perceived when you walk through this world. Crazy. And to be clear, they didn't apologize, okay? Because an apology is given to the party that you offended. If I slap you and I'm like, I'm sorry to the people who witnessed that, nigga, what are you smoking? What are you smoking? So stay in your...
So pretty much, Abba and Preach have kicked this off, and I think Abba and Preach can fix it. And this is going to be a big chance for them to learn and grow as people. So now let's read some of these comments. I damn near woke up the building when he said stutter in text. Yeah, I think that's probably how he sounded, maybe. I watched both channels. It was very unmasculine of Fresh and Fit to be talking of madness about other men behind their back. When Fresh and Fit wanted to smoke and backed out, that was a weak move. If you are a man, you are about your word. Your word is your integrity, which translates into your character. Man, peanuts. This man just insulted every boxer by saying that. I've been waiting for Fresh and Fit to get clocked for so long. And right as it's in view, they back out. Why, world? Why? However, if they're using boxing gloves, then it's a controlled environment, which I'm assuming will be a safe match. They have to fight now. Stutter in text, I laughed too hard. Okay, yeah, I'm just making it worse by reading this one. Yeah, there you go. Second video on this topic is just too wild, it's too juicy.